Are you over 40 and feeling unsure about exercise? You're not alone. Many women face unique challenges at this age, but exercise can be your best ally. As we age, our bodies change. Hormonal shifts can affect energy levels and muscle mass. Understanding how to exercise effectively is crucial for maintaining health and vitality. Let's explore the best exercises for women over 40 step by step. First, strength training is essential. It helps build muscle and supports metabolism. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week. Next, include cardiovascular exercises. Walking, swimming, or cycling can boost heart health. Aim for at least 150 minutes a week. Don't forget flexibility exercises. Yoga or Pilates can enhance joint mobility and reduce injury risk. Aim for 2 sessions weekly. Now, you may wonder, how do these exercises work together? Strength training lays a foundation. It increases your strength and stability. Cardio keeps your heart healthy and burns calories. Flexibility ensures you maintain a wide range of motion. Let's use an example. Imagine a typical week. Monday, strength training with weights. Wednesday, 30-minute walk. Friday, yoga session. Saturday, cycling with friends. This balanced approach builds strength, boosts endurance, and keeps you flexible. Remember, it's about progression. Start small and gradually increase intensity. Listen to your body. It's okay to rest when needed. In summary, the best exercise for women over 40 includes strength training, cardio, and flexibility work. Together, they promote health and wellness. Ready to take action? Start today. Pick one exercise and make it part of your routine. Embrace your strength at any age.